Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome again from English Mania, host of Spoken. Well, what do you know about myth busting? Myth busting. Well, I didn't know a lot of things about this, but this is really a good one because myth busting takes us to know about some unknown things. Okay, so this is the first and very first session of myth busting. I'll try to upload a lot of videos on this because we are in some wrong thinkings, wrong rules, wrong regulations of grammar. So I'll try to explain the rules that are wrong. Those are wrong. And always try to give you a nice way to get out of this. So the first and very first video is made on the articles. So let's start. Well, articles. We thought that articles like when we sound honor, well, that's a word Honor or Honor, American and British. So we pronounce honor, but what really pronounce honor? But why do we pronounce honor? Well, some teachers and grammar writers make the rule that if H is before a word and doesn't pronounce that, keep silence, then you should put an N before, before the word. Okay, it was fully wrong because it's not a rule. Honor is pronounced honor, and that pronounce was made by the English native speakers. So there's a thing that's phonetic. Phonetic is the sounds of sound. Is the science of sound. So it makes the sound of any language. Like in English, you'll get the 44 symbols of phonetics. So with that, they write some pronunciations. You'll get that on the screen. So it's the pronunciation for honor. But what we say? That was the wrong rule. So get out of this. Second one. It's what should I say? You. If you are we read that if there is a vowel before, if there is a vowel starting in a word, you should put an before them. But if that sounds like you or wa, like university or one, you have to put an a. Wrong, fully wrong, because there is no rule like this in British or American grammar. It's just that it pronounced like university and one. So you'll get the pronunciation written with phonemic symbols here, university and one. Please get out of this myth. It's not true. Just bust this. So this was the first video of myth busting, and I'll try to create a different playlist for this. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so the main thing, the note was honor doesn't mean that you have to put an N for the silent H. It means your pronunciation, the sound. You or wa, university or one. That also means that because of the pronunciation, that means the sound. So hope you got this. Please, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and share. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button. If you already subscribed, thanks to your Lord. So guys, this was for this video. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video with another new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Ta-da! Allah Hafiz.